people who've been operating taxis at 100% capacity, as if there's no pandemic, as if we are not people, as if there's no tomorrow. Their tweet concluded by saying that the fight against the pandemic is not over yet. I mean, look who's talking. I don't know if I should congratulate them for having a Twitter account or if I should be offended by their tweet. That's like listening to a homeless guy telling you to work hard. And I mean, it's not like there's no truth in what the homeless guy is saying, but you can't help it. You can't not help it, but judge the guy who's saying it. You're like, where Malankan wall, Liberato. Of all people, you're telling me this. They definitely think we are stupid. They think we are the type of people that send voice notes and then listen to them afterwards because.
To enjoy the rest of the episode, click link in bio or description and enjoy.